Hello, all you out in YouTube land. I'm Mr. Maish, this is Mrs. Hepner, and we're going to be doing the Milwaukee Lutheran High School Mathematics Department book cover tutorial. It's very exciting. We'll probably get close to 1 million hits on YouTube. And this is the demonstration. We'll try to do it step by step so you can figure it out. Mrs. Hepner is like Vanna White. She'll be doing all the acting out. She's the prettier of the twins. All right, you need a book cover, and a paper bag should be larger than your book height-wise by a couple inches on the top and bottom. And after we cut this, when you open it up, it has to be at least a couple inches longer than it on both sides. So we're going to cut the paper bag for that. This is a paper bag from Pick and Save. We're using the pre-calculus book. What's his name?
Chairman Bob.
Chairman Bob is on the front cover. Notice you cut down one of the seams of the bag lengthwise to the bottom.
Just one.
Just one. And then you cut the bottom of the bag off. It doesn't have to be a Pick and Save paper bag, but it has to be a paper bag that, as I said, once you cut the bottom off and cut it vertically, it'll be 2 inches above, 2 inches below. And when you open it, 2 inches on each side lengthwise. Miss Bowles is also here to join our demonstration. Miss Bowles, would you like to come in and say something? At least you have to make an appearance. It's a mathematics department tutorial.
Here's the paper bag. After I cut
now look, after she cut it, Miss Bowles, what do you think? Come on in.
Well, that's looking pretty good. Now you have to fold this down and fold this up so it's
she's
the
working
correct
ahead again.
size.
She's advanced.
That's what
We're the slower group.
What else are you going to do?
So I'm going to need some room here.
So obviously it's long enough. So if you notice, she's going to make a crease along the top of the paper bag. I think you can all see that, and then she'll show you. Okay, so show them the crease quick. So there's a crease on the top. Now we're going to lay the book so that the book cover is on that top, almost exactly. If you're going to err, give yourself more room. Because if you err short and cut it off, then it's going to fit. And now she's going to fold the bottom. Here, hang on, Mrs. Hepner. From the top angle, if you look here, she's folding it, she's creasing it so that the paper bag will be exactly the same size, height-wise, not lengthwise right now, as your book. And those are going to be, those folds she made are going to be like pockets. So now you check it and make sure. If it's not right, you could recrease it and do that bottom crease again. Now she's going to open up the book the long way. Are we upside down? Yeah, here. Hi. Okay. Now she's going to open it up the long way. And notice, she made a pocket. Let's show that pocket again. She just folded it kind of anywhere, about 2 to 3 inches. And she's going to tuck. See, you need no tape. If you use tape, you're going to get a 0 on this assignment, and that'll jeopardize your opportunity to pass the course. Just kidding, hopefully. But there's the pocket. And now notice, she's closing the book. And again, after she closes it, she's going to crease the other side on the bottom of your book. So there it is. Notice all that extra over there we're going to cut off because you only need about 2 to 3 inches. So here we make another cut finally. And now, with it like that, she's going to crease that bottom. Notice she opened the book. That makes it a little easier. Actually, she didn't. Yeah, she did crease it. And then using that crease, that's going to be your other pocket. Notice we have used no tape. And you now have a book cover that will fit your book perfectly. Open it up, please, Mrs. Hepner, a.k.a. Vanna White. There it is, and the back. See, it has pockets. It will fit like a glove.
Excellent.
We'd like to thank OJ for that reference. All right, all of you are too young to remember that. So, this completes the mathematics department at Milwaukee Lutheran High School, our book tutorial, and you get a nice book. And it looks very good. I'd like to make a special thanks to Mrs. Hepner. And I'd like to thank myself. All right, I'm going to turn this off. Bye.
See ya.